Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I just want to come on and do a quick little announcement for my friend Shannon at Mixed Media, Minnesota. As you know, I just showed the July kit, and thanks to you all, it has sold out, which is awesome. Thank you so much. Well, Shannon has an unexpected event in her life. Her mother passed away unexpectedly yesterday, which breaks my heart because her mother was one of our crafty friends here on my channel, and she introduced Shannon and I. And so anyway, just an unexpected thing. And so I just wanted to let you know that the July kits mailing, it could be late. Shannon's going to do what she can, but I told her I'd come on and give you guys a heads up of what she's dealing with, and so you'll be able to give her some grace and some time to deal with what she's dealing with. So if you ordered the July kit or anything else from Mixed Media Minnesota on Etsy, please know that the shipping may be delayed as Shannon deals with this unexpected passing of her mom. So please do, you guys are the best prayer warriors ever, and so please do keep Shannon and her family in your prayers, and we will just be sending her all kinds of love and prayers for healing. So thanks everybody. We'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.